The
I
following
know a
movie
thing
has
too
been
by
rated
being in that kitchen
PG-13.
myself. Baking soda check, fork check, stoves work, isotol on deck.
This
cake
is a
mix
certified
right there.
hood classic.
Let's do it.
Oh my God! Motherfucking real. DJ motherfucking real.
We're finally back at Mid-Pond after 8 months after my radiator blew, but I'm not driving today. I'm actually spectating. Trip to the pond, one of the most stylish, Final Bout-esque Mid-Pond trips that there is. Look at this doofus right here. Look how much weight he's lost. Congratulations to this guy. Look at him. Flex for us.
No.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
You like being on camera?
Not really.
He said, yeah. Look at these. Do the thing.
No. Man, real hard. Whoa.
Comment down below if you love Jack. So I don't know how well this mic situation is gonna work, but we'll find out. We'll find out. This is the most packed Mid-Pond event I've ever been to. Like, there's legit cars everywhere. I don't know if you can hear me still, but legit cars everywhere. For some reason, I always say that. I always say, oh, if you can't hear me, da-da-da-da-da. I don't know. I'm going insane with vlogging. Not in the good way. Literally insane. I'll get the actual camera later. It'll warm up. It'll come up. This motherfucker, no coolant head ass, at Mid-Pond. No thermostat, right? No thermostat. It'll go. Hottest track on the East Coast.
Gangsters don't run, the gangsters don't hide. I'm a gangster ass nigga from the south side. That's how it's exactly what a gangster do. You love the gangster shit, ain't you a gangster too? Then C-Walk, homie. C-Walk, homie. C-Walk, homie. OG Trey D. C-Walk, homie. Corrupt. Nigga dance. Super fly. Now walk on him.
What the fuck?
Holy
Are you okay?
It went over the top of my
Was
head.
it my wheel?
Yeah.
What the
whole
fuck?
Wheel. One, it was like 2 or 3 lugs snapped.
Damn.
Dude. That was
What
crazy.
the fuck?
That was crazy.
I'm happy you're okay, dude. What the
No,
fuck?
it didn't hit me.
Hey, go grab the wheel.
It's in the fucking water.
God
It's in
damn
the
it.
lake. Look, let me see your phone.
Hey, Lone Star Derp getting this right now. Haha. What the fuck? Look, dude, it snapped a hole. Look. Hey, you're laying frame right now. Dude, it's just... Hey, this ain't Mayhill and Spec, bro.
We outside, how about that? We're doing media at Mid-Pond for the first time, out on the track. So this is wild, look at this, crazy shit. So hopefully we can get some good tandem stuff. Hopefully it's not just me vlogging, because look, all these people are looking at me. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be weird. I haven't recorded much, I've just been having fun at Mid-Pond. I don't know what to do with myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna move to the other part of the track. Alright, I'm just gonna run across the track. Holy shit. So I have no idea going on, and the guy behind me is having fun. So it's weird being on the other side, in the middle of the track, as you can see. It's crazy. Damn it! Come on, Carl. 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 Hell yeah. Oh.
But Gucci didn't graduate from college. Your girlfriend, since my earrings are erotic. My Lambo doors open upward, they're robotic. Good goes with the two down the Acapulco. Birds in the living room, it's like Atlanta Zoo. Lion, tigers, minks, crossing gators for my shoes. Monkey niggas in my hood, I'm living in the zoo. Birds in the living room and the kitchen too. Tiger in the bedroom, that's your baby boo. I got lions, tigers, bears in my hood and closet too. But my gun can stop an elephant, it's like Atlanta Zoo. Coach dropping, all said things, color ice cream, white dream, she can fuck me. That's a fight, drinking and so popping edge pills, so excited. My edge chicken and on board on the bike.